National Innovations on Climate Resilient Agriculture, a network project promoted in the 11th Five-Year Plan by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, New Delhi, aims to enhance resilience of Indian agriculture to climate change through strategic research and technology demonstration. NICRA scheme is being implemented by Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Namakkal of Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University in 2011 at Vadavattur Village Panchayat, which has recorded an average rainfall of only 400 mm for the past 26 years. The village has 829 families with a population of 2,850, and they were benefited under NICRA in different modules. The efforts to preserve the available water in the village by the scheme and its impact created many water storage structures in the village, which is the success of the Natural Resource Management module of NICRA in Vadavattur and Jambumadai. By renovation of community ponds, construction of percolation ponds, check dams and farm ponds, 68,975 cubic meter rainwater is stored in the structures during monsoon season, and 235 hectare land is brought under Rabi cultivation. Awareness created to utilize the stored water in a more efficient manner by micro irrigation system, minimize the use of water and increase the area of cultivation for all crops, and 27 hectare has been covered till 2019. Promotion of the in-situ moisture conservation practices like summer ploughing and compartmental bunding in 300 hectare recorded 20% higher yield than the other fields. Crops did not show any withered condition even in 25 days dry spell. So far, 564 farmers received soil health cards and covered 502 hectares. 150 farmers adopted soil health card based fertilizer application in and around NICRA villages. By multi-grain green manuring for fertility improvement and in-situ moisture conservation, 0.05% increase in organic carbon, 28 kg per hectare increase in available nitrogen, and 0.09 mg per kg in available zinc resulted in the last 3 years. Now the village was adopted by the Department of Agriculture under Mission on Soil Health Card Scheme for 100% soil test-based fertilizer application. The short duration and drought-tolerant pulses varieties, Vamban Black Gram and Co-8 Green Gram, are adopted by majority of the farmers in 152 hectares. Intercropping groundnut with red gram also practiced by many farmers in the village in 52 hectares. The high-yielding, drought-tolerant and short-duration pulses and oil-seed varieties fetched more yield and price to the farmers. Though onion is the major crop of NICRA village in more than 325 hectare, additional cropping with vegetable cultivation by using the surplus water promoted under NICRA scheme encouraged the farmers, and presently 156 farmers cultivate different vegetables in 50 hectare with various vegetables like gourds, bindi, brinjal, tomato, lablab, cluster bean, etc., and earn up to ₹1,000 per day through the sale of vegetables in farmers' market. By seeing the success of these interventions, more than half of the farmers in that village received onion storage godowns, bower system for gourds, micro irrigation devices, raised bunds around the fields, strengthening the farm ponds, and high-yielding variety seeds and planting materials under convergence. Under livestock module, the climate resilient sheds for dairy, sheep and goat, and desi poultry, green fodder production, silage, vaccination, and mineral mixture feeding protected the animals from summer stress and diseases and helped the farmers to get a sustainable income from livestock farming even during crop failure season. The custom hiring center established through the scheme functions well and till date earned rupees 10 lakhs as revenue. Also, 2 more custom hiring centers were created by the departments and 4 farmers owned new tractors for their farm operations that facilitate the agricultural operations in time. Now the farmers become self-sustained by adopting the climate-resilient technical interventions in agriculture, horticulture, and animal husbandry, which is the success of NICRA in Namakkal district. The success of the scheme is disseminated to other farmers and students through field days.